Hello guys, hi, my name is Faramiti Jamil. Today I would like to present my task. It's about Alpine Liberty Travels Berhad. My industrial training have been placed at Alpine Liberty Travels Berhad. It was 3 months finished my industrial training. In this company, I was being assigned a marketing department and also the skipping. Alpine Liberty Travel is a private unit in Hotels Lexis and Grand Lexis. Totally they have 9 units. The 7 units at Hotel Lexis and 2 units at Hotel Grand Lexis. The most important, I learned how to be a confident in front of other people and taught to them Alpine Liberty Travels Berhad is not scammer. Background company. What is Alpine Liberty Travels Berhad? Okay, let me tell you. The owner of this company is Mr. Lim Poso. He is graduate from INTI International University with a collaboration of Science in Business Administration, which is the collaboration with university at USA. She also began his career in the Labor Department and Industrial Relationship Department of the Ministry of Human Resources. Okay, the Alpine Liberty Travels Berhad is almost 6 years in industry. This company buys some unit from Hotel Lexis and Hotel Grand Lexis. They have 9 units. The company is managed by their family and only have 1 part-time employee. The objective company is to promote the interest of the travel and tour industry in Malaysia. This company works closely with the Hotels Lexis and Hotels Grand Lexis to get the guests. All of the type room is different, which is executive full sea view, deluxe full sea view, executive water shower, premium water shower, deluxe double story upper and lower, deluxe single water shower, and premium pool villa Grand Lexis. This company just used the agoda.com to promote their room. Besides that, this company also provides transport service and have another service also. The vision of this company is first to build up the group to a leading level regionally and internationally. Second, to deliver a unique and memorable hospitality experience of international standard that turn every guest into repeat business. For the mission is first, practice efficient and prudent management in a professional manner without compromising quality to ensure optimum return for owner and investor. Second, commit to providing superior service and exceptional guest experience at all times as a key priority. And the last one is maintain transparency, integrity, honesty, and care in all business dealing. Okay, for the objective of this company, first, to publish, encourage, promote, and extend the tourist and travel trade. Second, to make presentation of behalf of member to government and all organizations with which the association has common interest. Third, to encourage the high ethical standard of business conduct within the trade. Fourth, to study and promote the interest of the tourist and travel trade and profession, and to educate the public regarding the function of tour and travel agent. And the last is to discourage unfair competition within in any way interfering with initiative and enterprise based on fair trading. Product or service offered to guests. Okay, this company offer guests for variety room, which is a Hotel Lexis and Hotel Grand Lexis. There are many services in this company provide. Besides that, There has 3 cafe or restaurant, which is Umi Japanese Restaurant, Lanun Bar, and Pool Cafe. While this company is private unit, right? But the guests also can get the service from Grand Lexis Hotel and Lexis Hotel. Yumi Japanese Restaurant serve favorite from the land of the rising sun, such as sushi, sesame, tempura, and other seasonal. For those who are looking to have a brobby time with friends or to make new friends over a drink or two, Lanun Bar is certain right place to be. Not only is there a bar, sit back and enjoy specially cocktail, mocktail or other beverage, but it's also dance floor can build a move or two to live band performance. Not only pool cafe, the perfect spot to lay back and do some poolside chilling. It's also the best place to enjoy some light bite after a few invigorating laps in the outdoor swimming pool. The room of Hotel Lexis and Grand Lexis also can fishing and grabbing also. Yes, it's a great. It's more fun and enjoyable. First time, they teach for be more patient and while waiting the catch to bite. And then guests allowed to the time to relax mind while enjoying the peaceful surrounding and be fully immersed in nature in all the its splendor. This company also do a serve like book one night room include one ice book for our guests to fishing from their room. It's not for fishing only but it's for grabbing also. The most popular in this company is bicycle. Yes, it's allowed in this company. There are no better way to discover the resort and its beautiful seaside landscape than to hop on a bicycle and go for two-wheel adventure. Whenever in group or by self, guests will have a delightful time exploring the west ground of the hotel. Summary of the job function. There are two places. First, housekeeping and second, marketing department. First, I wanted to talk about housekeeping. This company doesn't have any employee and I learned all of housekeeping, work and marketing. For the first week, the manager briefed about housekeeping and said to him, what my experience about the hotel. Every day I was learn how to pack housekeeping items such as cover pillow, comforter, bedsheet and towel. Second, I learned how to check out the guests and housekeeping. The step of check out guests is meet the guests before they check out and check the room they live. After that, giving the security deposit back to them. Security deposit for the Lexis Hotel is 100 ringgit and for the Grand Lexis is 200 ringgit for the one room. Then the security deposit is the rule and regulation the guest must follow up. If have any problem or damage the facility hotel, the company will deduct from the security deposit. It can help the company to more save the money even has a damaged facility and also can brief the guests be more careful because this is more important. The task of housekeeping is not easy. It's because I learned how to clean the room without any dirty. The part I must keep in touch is spring cleaning every Friday, and I was to make sure all of the room safety, and if I has any problem I must to report to my manager. Yeah, it's hard for me, but I can learn slowly. And then second place is marketing department. For the second week, I learned how to edit the picture. Before that, I don't know how to edit the picture. What you must to take, what you must to follow, I don't know. But this company teach me how to edit the picture, same like at the advertisement on the Facebook. Wow, it's very grateful. The picture must more detail, include the price, facility, service, and more. Yes, it's a very important. In this situation, I learned how to control my feeling because not all of the taste the same with other people, right? Yeah. I did it take a time because the manager more is professional and has an experience, and he teach me how to improve my edit, pitch, and poster. Third week, I was being placed in market department. Mr. Lim as a manager teach me how to do the true advertisement on Facebook page. For the first time, it's a good experience for students is because advertisement on Facebook use some money to do, while students will know the budget of advertisement in business if did the marketing on social media, which is Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and so on. Industrial training program at this company, I learned it's more about marketing advertisement and reach to good writing, which is in copywriting on Facebook and WhatsApp. Yeah, it's very important. Yeah. Besides that, interact or communicate with guests also more important in business. This company promote their room at agoda.com, and after book, I must contact them to give a rule and regulation on room book. So any question I must to answer it. In this task, I learn more professional. In answer the entire question I got. Communication skill is more important to get the job on future. All of the manager just want to show you skill and experience. So my manager decide to learn more, and I was handle this case. If has any problem, I can settle by my own self. So for the student out there, to looking internship place or student IPT, communication skill is very important and must have a high confidence level to interact with other people. Problem and solution. Internship period is the platform where students get into a very new environment and learn real working environment. The first problem is poor time management. My time management is very poor during my internship program. It's because I cannot find a time to rest or off day. Every day I must reply chat on Facebook page and WhatsApp. Advertisement and Facebook page still working even though I'm on my off day. During my internship program, I am very tired because I also do the housekeeping, and after finish my housekeeping, I am back to office on 3 p.m. My manager want me to complete tasks of marketing to update or do copywriting on Facebook page. But I take a time to do it because take a long time of housekeeping from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. I'm tired to given some an idea and more to stress. It's about mentality and physicality. And the solution, give a time to rest after working for 6 days in week. It's because I also has another work to do, which is my daily report must do every week. And second solution is time. Give a time to finish the task one by one. Not all of the tasks can finish in one time, but it takes a long time to finish housekeeping without any workers. And the second problem is lack of confidence. Since my personality, I'm a shy person. I have a problem with confidence in my communication and performance in complete my task. Any task. For example, I'm worried to face with guests or customer during sending a cake or bring them to the room because I'm shy and scared to communicate with them. The solution is the manager has a brief and give a quote of confidence. If our customer asks a question, he give to me and he give to me to answer it and teach me how to communicate with guests. And the last one is lack of workers. Since the company open, the manager doesn't take an employee. It's because the company is still new in industry. All of the work must do, which is housekeeping and marketing. Housekeeping part must have a workers to handle it, but this company doesn't take it. The solution is open vacation job on the company. It can help to handle the room. While housekeeping and marketing department must to separate. It's not the same department. Summary of the experience. During the temporary position period at Alpine Liberty Travels Berhad, there are numerous new things I learned and experienced. Every one of the things that I gained while doing my understudy, they possible I cannot learn in another working environment. In this organization, I learned numerous new activity extensions and I pick up a considerable measure of new information, and everything was got and educated by my manager. The first thing that I learned is about actualizing leadership attitude, and second is next is how to face another language. When I'm understudy at Alpine Liberty Travels Berhad, which is this company discover that for the most part in benefit industry, especially from numerous organization, most guests or customer put has numerous dialect and claim environment. And last but not least, I learned the most expensive experience is about the fast response, accurate and friendly service. I figure out how to work rapidly and effectively in the in additional figure out how to do the correct activity in the meantime, guarantee that guests get what they need, which is a good of environment room.